Are you starting GMAT prep? You've probably Googled a dozen resources, opened 10 browser tabs, and still aren't sure where to start. This video is going to change that. I'll walk you through GMAT Club, a free, all-in-one platform that takes the stress out of prep and helps you study smarter. Before we dive into how GMAT Club can help you, let's quickly talk about the GMAT test itself. The GMAT is designed to test the real skills that business schools care about most: critical thinking, data interpretation, and problem solving. The test is just over 2 hours long, specifically 2 hours and 15 minutes, which, yes, is not too long, making it easier to manage but not easier to master. If you're planning to apply to MBA or business master's programs in the next few years, the GMAT is the exam that you'll be taking. Now, preparing for the GMAT might feel overwhelming at first, but that's exactly why GMAT Club exists. Not sure where to start, what to study, or which resources actually work? Don't worry, you're not alone. If you're a complete newbie and you want to know how to prep for the GMAT efficiently, you've got to start here with GMAT Club. GMAT Club isn't just another test prep website. It's a global community where thousands of top scorers and future MBAs come to learn, share, and succeed. In this quick beginner's guide, I'll show you how to use GMAT Club to prep smarter, not harder. So let's dive right in. GMAT Club is the world's largest GMAT prep community, home to over 1 million test takers and MBA applicants. Here you'll find everything from expert advice and strategy posts to practice questions, study plans, course reviews, and admissions tips. It's your free, all-in-one hub for GMAT and MBA prep. Getting started is super easy. Just create a free account to unlock features like personalized question recommendations, a progress tracker, also called the error log, more on that shortly, and the ability to bookmark helpful posts. You'll also be eligible to earn points through the GMAT Club reward system, which I will also talk about more in a minute. Now, after you've signed up, you'll see a few tabs on the top and the left. Let's look into the forums. The forum is the heart of GMAT Club. Here you'll find real-time discussions organized into helpful categories: quant, verbal, and DI questions, GMAT strategies, MBA admission-related topics, and user debriefs from top scorers. You can filter questions by difficulty, topic, or even timers such as mistakes only or correct only. Each thread in the forum includes detailed explanations, often from verified experts or top scorers, making it easy to compare solution methods and build deeper understanding. And if you're ever stuck, don't hesitate to post your question in the forum. This is a judgment-free zone, and experts and other test takers will help you out ASAP. Now let's talk about some of GMAT Club's most powerful tools. First up, the question directory. It's a searchable, filterable bank of thousands of GMAT-style questions. You can sort by topic, subtopic, difficulty, and source. Then there's the GMAT Club tests, known for their challenging quant questions and adaptive scoring engine. Perfect if you're aiming for a 655 plus score. They're known for being tougher than the real GMAT, which is exactly what you need to build resilience. The tests are adaptive, just like the real exam. After completing a test, you get detailed analytics breaking down your performance by topic and question type. As a registered user at GMAT Club, you do get one free test that you can try out, and if you like, you can buy up to 7 full tests, including 20 plus sectional ones as well. Now, there are a lot more features you can unlock depending on the pricing, but we will let you check it out once this video ends. One super cool tool a lot of people miss is the forum quiz. As a GMAT test taker myself, I actually use the forum quiz feature a lot during my own prep. Now, what exactly is it? The forum quiz lets you create your own custom quizzes directly from forum questions. You can pick questions by topic, difficulty, and source. Time yourself and get instant feedback after each quiz. It's a gamified way to sharpen your skills and measure your progress in real time. Try setting a 20-minute quiz on your weak areas. You'll be amazed by how quickly you improve. You'll also find an error log tool to track your mistakes and target your weaknesses efficiently. GMAT Club's built-in error log tool lets you track every mistake you make, tag errors by topic, review explanations, and measure how you're improving over time. Every time you solve a question on GMAT Club, it gets automatically added to your error log, which you can access through here. Go ahead, keep solving questions, and you will see the error log do its magic. Oh, and here's something exciting that I forgot to mention. GMAT Club actually rewards active members. Every time you post an answer, help a peer, or leave a review, you earn kudos points, which boost your status in the community. Kudos help you climb the leaderboard and earn badges. But when it comes to actual redeemable rewards, those are part of the rewards points system. For example, by actively replying to users' questions, posting your own, engaging in chat groups, updating your profile, solving timed questions, and side-by-side earning kudos builds up points in your rewards page, which can help you redeem those points for perks such as GMAT Club tests, prep courses, admissions consulting services, and more. Plus, you climb the community leaderboard and earn badges. It's a fun way to stay motivated and recognized for your contributions. Speaking of reviews, GMAT Club hosts thousands of verified user reviews. Reviews of all the top GMAT courses and reviews of MBA admissions consultants to help you pick the right guide for your business school journey. These reviews are, again, verified, and it's an incredibly valuable resource when you're deciding where to invest your time and money. If you're not sure how to organize your prep, I'd suggest to start with the GMAT Study Plan by BB, GMAT Club's founder. It's a proven, free plan that breaks down what to study, when to take mocks, and how to adapt your approach based on your target score. It's one of the most popular study resources in the community, and it's completely free. Short on time? No problem. Download the GMAT Club mobile app to browse forums, practice questions, and track your progress on the go. It's perfect for busy schedules and study sessions in between meetings or classes. What really sets GMAT Club apart is its community. When you engage, whether by asking a question, sharing an answer, or posting your test experience, you're helping thousands of other students. GMAT Club recognizes your contributions through the kudos system and the rewards store, where you can earn badges, climb the leaderboard like I mentioned, and unlock amazing perks. The more you contribute, the more you grow, and the more you help others grow too. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to stay tuned for more GMAT Club updates. And guys, good luck on your GMAT prep journey, and I hope you join the business schools of your dreams. Take care and see you next time. Bye.